It's what you do right now that makes a difference. It's because of great connection that the world becomes so charming. Kinkong was born in the wave of the times, chasing dreams in the struggle. Year 2009, relying on local factories, gather wisdom and creativity to accelerate forward. After more than 10 years of intensive cultivation in the market, now Kinkong has become the industry benchmark. We have the energy to serve you anytime, ability to analyze problems, more determination to break through all barriers. To select the best design and development methods, we will conduct the feasibility of the product with a mode flow analysis to ensure accuracy and in-time delivery. From manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing, Kinkong upgraded the Oracle ERP system combined with the CRM, OA, and BI systems, better realization of information interchange, resource sharing, and quick decision-making within the enterprise, full use of 3D modeling and 3D printing technology, reduced design time, improved work efficiency. From quantity to quality, Kinkong takes straight control from the raw material to each production link, make every product seriously, customize its skeleton, inject its soul with measured strength, casting quality, has now obtained ISO 9001, DS 16949 certifications and many design patents. Innovate with ingenuity when countless connectors are created and activated here. Kinkong builds a bridge of responsibility with sincere and thoughtful service. Gain more trust with efficient execution. We depict the outline of the future with sincerity. Connect employees, create a better working atmosphere and career planning. Help to upgrade career skills and boost happiness for employees. Connect customers down to earth with the goal of creating constant and more value for customer. Being polite, respectful, and professional. Being self-displaying and social commitment while never stop improving. Connection. Make it all worthwhile.